Last month, I tracked every single task AI handled for my business and put a dollar value on it. The total saved, $3,200. No fluff, no guessing. These aren't vague benefits. These are exact prompts that replaced expensive services like lawyers, copywriters, and market researchers. If you want to stop wasting thousands and start using Claude AI to slash your business costs, these 7 prompts are the fastest way to get there. Business owners are bleeding money without realizing it. Paying $400 an hour for lawyers to review contracts, $800 for copywriters to write a single sales page, and $600 for market research reports that take weeks. On average, small business owners spend over $4,000 monthly on services that AI can replace for less than $20 a month. That's thousands of dollars wasted each year on time-consuming, expensive tasks. Every day you wait, you're throwing money away and losing hours that could build your business. This pain isn't just financial. It's burning out your time and energy, leaving you stuck in old, costly habits. I personally saved $3,200 last month using just 7 Claude prompts to replace costly services. No fluff, no outsourcing. These steps have been tested in real business conditions, saving time and money without sacrificing quality. Many in my community have reported similar results, cutting expenses by over 80% while scaling operations effortlessly. This isn't theory, it's proven by exact dollar amounts and documented use cases. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact 7 Claude prompts that saved me $3,200 last month. You'll understand how to replace a lawyer for contract review, how to turn Claude into a copywriter and content team, and how to run market research and operations all for $20 per month. Plus, you'll get a clear system to save thousands of dollars and countless hours every month without losing quality. Step 1. Use Claude to review contracts faster and cheaper. Here's the exact prompt. Review this contract and highlight any legal risks or unusual clauses for a small business owner. Upload your contract text and let Claude analyze it. This replaces a $400-hour lawyer review in just minutes. Why it works? Claude understands legal language and flags key issues instantly, unlike hiring costly experts or spending days reading. If you skip this step, you risk expensive legal problems or wasting money paying lawyers for simple checks. Use this prompt before signing any agreement to save $400 every time. Step 2. Replace a copywriter by generating sales page copy in minutes. Use this prompt. Write a high-converting sales page for product service targeting ideal customer, focusing on benefits and urgency. Claude delivers polished, persuasive copy in under 12 minutes, replacing the typical $800 copywriter fee. Mechanism. Claude uses trained language models to craft engaging, goal-focused content fast, eliminating the back-and-forth revisions. Skipping this means paying high fees and waiting days or weeks. Using this prompt, you get professional quality copy almost instantly, freeing up budget and accelerating sales. Step 3. Conduct competitor analysis with this prompt. Create a detailed competitor analysis report comparing my product name to competitors, including pricing, features, and customer feedback. Claude compiles a full report in 20 minutes that normally costs $600 and takes weeks. For example, I used it to analyze 3 competitors and adjust my pricing strategy immediately. This saves massive time and money while providing actionable insights. If skipped, you lose competitive advantage and pay steep consulting fees. This prompt turns Claude into your personal market research analyst instantly. Steps 4 and 5. Replace your entire content team by generating 30 pieces of content monthly in under 3 hours. Use prompts like create blog post ideas and outlines for niche, and generate social media posts based on these blog outlines. Claude handles brainstorming, writing, and repurposing. This cuts $900 in monthly content creation costs and slashes turnaround time. Connect these prompts with scheduling tools for a seamless content pipeline. Skipping this means paying for expensive freelance teams or missing consistent content, costing you growth. Imagine closing contracts without lawyer fees, launching sales pages that convert without copywriter costs, and making data-driven decisions with competitor insights, all done in a fraction of the time. content flows consistently, and your operations run smoothly because SOPs and training docs are created in hours, not weeks. You save $3,200 every month, regain your time, and scale faster with Claude AI handling your heavy lifting. This system turns AI into a reliable, affordable business partner, not just a tool. If you want to start saving $3,200 a month like I did, comment SAVE right now to get my free Claude Business Starter Kit. 25 copy-paste prompts tailored for small business owners. This kit gives you ready-to-use prompts to replace lawyers, copywriters, content teams, and operations staff. One simple action today can slash your expenses and reclaim your time. Don't wait. Drop SAVE below and start your AI money machine now.